Today, the Camaro is getting a new cabin air filter. To start, you're going to pop the hood and you're going to pull this trim piece off, and then pull out those 3 pins. After you get those pins out, you can take this piece of plastic and you can pull it up with 2 hands. You need to use 2 hands because it's kind of stuck in this lip. But once you pull that out, there's a clip on this side and a clip on that side that pulls this shroud off. So once this piece is off, you can take your old filter and you can pull it out. It's fucking gross. Then you can grab your new filter and install it into the car. Put this shroud cover back on, put that piece of plastic back on, put those 3 pins back in. After you're done pushing those 3 pins in, you can put your weather stripping back on and then close the hood. You're done.